Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Measure and gather. 1 can 14. 5 oz of tomato soup, 1 cup water, and 1/2 cup milk for a creamier texture. Add 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt to balance acidity and reduce can tang. Keep 1/8 teaspoon black pepper on hand and optional 2 tablespoons heavy cream for richness. Use a medium saucepan and a whisk or wooden spoon. Prepping tools first saves time. This step prevents scrambling measurements while heating and ensures an even, smooth soup from the beginning. Pour the tomato soup from the can into a medium saucepan, then add 1 cup water and 1/2 cup milk. Combine on medium heat. Whisk constantly for the first minute to dissolve concentrated solids and create a smooth base. Once smooth, reduce agitation and bring to a gentle simmer, do not boil, and heat for 5 to 7 minutes to meld flavors. Stir or whisk occasionally to prevent sticking, taste halfway through, and adjust seasonings so your final soup has balanced salt, sweetness, and pepper. For a silky finish, use an immersion blender for 10 to 15 seconds directly in the saucepan, or transfer half the soup to a blender and pulse carefully. After blending, stir in 2 tablespoons heavy cream or 2 tablespoons sour cream for richness, then taste and adjust with an extra pinch of salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper if needed. Let the soup rest off heat for 2 minutes to cool slightly and thicken, then ladle into bowls and garnish with fresh basil, 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan, or serve with a grilled cheese sandwich.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.